solve one problem from JEST Physics. The problem states that a single particle of mass m is confined in a 1D box of length L. The energy levels of the particle are given by En equal to n square pi square h cut square by 2 m L square, where n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. At temperature T, we need to find the approximate expression for the average energy E of the particle in the high temperature limit using the partition function. Right, so the partition function we can write the partition function as we can write Z equal to summation of n equal to 1 to infinity e to the power minus beta En. So En, it is given, is equal to root over n equal to 1 to infinity e to the power minus beta n square pi square h cut square by 2 m L square. So let's say we'll have root over n equal to 1 to infinity e to the power minus a n square. So where a equal to beta into pi square h naught square by 2 m L square. So in high temperature T, in the high temperature T tends to infinity, we implies beta tends to 0, also implies a tends to 0. So we can approximate the sum as an, so we can approximate it Z equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus a n square into dn. So it will be half root over 2 m L square by beta pi h cap square. So now the average energy. So the average energy, we can write average energy we can write as E equal to minus del beta of ln z, or ln z we can write ln half root over 2 m L square by beta pi h cat square. So it will be having a constant minus half ln beta, right? So so the expectation value of E will be minus del beta of minus half ln b so it will be 1 by 2 beta or equal to half kbt. So the expectation value, so our expectation value of E is half kbt. So this is the required answer of the given problem. Hope this is clear. So thank you for now.